Hey guys, in this video I will show you a very cool free piano VST plugin, but it's not just any piano VST plugin. It is creepy and it looks pretty creepy though, to be honest, but it sounds awesome. Okay, so yeah, the link will be in the description. Go ahead and download it. I have already downloaded and installed in my computer. Now I will show you how this piano actually sounds. Okay, so you can decide if you want to keep this piano or not. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure you want to have this piano after listening to the few of the sounds, because it is really awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna shut my mouth and play the sounds without tweaking the knobs. Okay, alright guys, so this is how most of these presets actually sounds. Now I will play around with these knobs. Okay, damn, that's sick. That is smooth. That bone. Let's listen to that again. That is good. I might actually want to save this preset for later use. And yeah guys, this knobs and setting, every time once you have changed these settings, it applies on all the presets. Okay, so be warned. And this one is my favorite. It's best. It sounds really smooth and sweet. Let's listen to that again. That's it. That's pretty much it for this video, and you guys are really awesome, and I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video. Peace guys, I'm out.